Discover Ucreatus Stone Veneer Sheets, real stone transformed into lightweight, flexible sheets. Perfect for walls, furniture, and interiors that bring nature's elegance indoors. Give your spaces the timeless beauty of natural textures with the innovation of modern design. Ucreatus Stone Veneer Sheets, exclusively at the Design Store Mohali, where nature meets creativity.
Turn ordinary walls into extraordinary experiences with Ucreatus Stone Veneer Sheets. Crafted from real stone, yet lightweight and flexible, they bring natural textures into your living spaces with ease. Perfect for feature walls, furniture, and interiors that deserve timeless character. Redefine elegance, embrace nature with Ucreatus Stone Veneer Sheets, exclusively at the Design Store Mohali.